After years of dreaming about it, in 2025, it finally happens. I celebrated Songkran in Bangkok. Yes, the Thai New Year Water Festival. Wild, wet, joyful chaos, and honestly, one of the best things I've ever done. Did you know Songkran isn't just about a water fight? Traditionally, it's time to pay respect to elders, cleanse your home, and start fresh for the new year. The water symbolizes washing away bad luck. But let's be honest, now it's also the biggest water fight on earth.
Well, I think people are getting ready for Songkran. Udah banyak polisi yang jaga-jaga juga. Terus kalau udah mulai ke city center, kayaknya akan seru. Kita siap-siap dulu, balik ke hotel, ambil peralatan.
I choose Bangkok this time, and let me tell you, it's wild in the best way. I joined madness at Silom Road, packed with music, DJ stages, people with super soakers, and enough water to start a river.
So it's a day 2 water fight. Let's do it in Silom. Wow. A lot of people. Crazy. Look at this.
But if you're looking for something different, try this. Khao Road, Backpacker Central. Think neon, foam, and full party mode. Siam Square, younger crowd, more organized, perfect for families. Or if you want to go to Chiang Mai, the cultural heart of Songkran with more traditional vibes, but still plenty of water. Or maybe to Ayutthaya, water fights with elephants. Yeah, with elephants, really, real elephants. If you're thinking of joining next year, here's what you need to know. Alright? First, get a good water gun. The bigger, the better. But don't forget to refill. It's just 5, 10 to 20 baht for you to refill on the way. Wear lightweight, quick dry clothes. Trust me, you will be soaked in the seconds. Protect your phone and wallet. Waterproof pouches are your best friend. Respect the culture. Avoid splashing monks, elders, or people in the uniform. And the last one, plan ahead. Hotel fills up fast. Book early and know your route. Songkran 2025 wasn't just a party. It was a celebration of life, renewal, and community. And after years of imagining it, I can truly say it was worth the wait. Next year, I'm bringing a bigger gun and maybe a snorkel.
Crazy. So I'm done.